What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your RWSG4 Universal Marine Receiver Splash Guard housing case. They come in two colors of black and white, but the setup for each is the exact same. As you can see, it comes with the case itself, 4 screws, and a rubber gasket that we can stick onto the back of the case. To do that, we'll remove the rubber gasket on the back like so. Then we'll remove the tape here to reveal the adhesive and stick it right back onto the back of the case. Next, we can remove the front panel here to reveal the 4 screw holes that we'll use to mount the case inside of our vehicle, but we'll get to that towards the end. Now you can use any marine head unit or even a regular head unit when fitting it inside of your case. You just want to be sure that your head unit comes with this bracket piece here, so you can use it to fasten your head unit inside of the case. You also want to be sure that your head unit is at least 1.9 inches high and 7 inches wide so that it can fit snugly inside of your case with the help of the bracket. Today we're using a marine head unit, but you can use any type of head unit that fits these measurements. So we're going to take the bracket piece and fit it through the case like so. Then we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to raise the tabs of the bracket so that it'll stay in place inside of your case. Now you're going to wait to push in the tabs on the sides of the bracket until we put our head unit in. After that, we'll take our head unit and slide it through. And now we're going to push in the tabs on each side of the bracket so that the head unit is nice and secure. Now to mount the case inside of your vehicle, we're going to take the 4 included screws and feed them through the screw holes on the front of the case. First, you want to make sure that wherever you plan to mount your case fits inside of your vehicle or fairing by following these measurements here. Then we can place the front panel back onto our case, and you'll know it's secure when you hear it click back onto the front. After that, you can use the front cover here to protect your head unit from water or dirt. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your RWSG4 Universal Marine Receiver Splash Guard housing case. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.